sometimes these steel rulers get dirty, some smudge on it. Who knows what those are? So in this video, I'm just gonna clean this ruler very simply. Remove most of it with a razor blade, a retractable one like this, and whatever's on the surface will be just bulldozed off or scraped off. It doesn't have to be much material, just whatever the blade catches. All right. And for the rest, I've got this, a metal polishing paste. It's used for polishing metal, I guess. It's used in automotive or whatever cosmetic items. I use it for all kinds of metal polishing, including this one. And very simply, but this is gonna be messy. Maybe 2 of these paper towels. And get some paper towels because the paste that comes off the ruler will be just black. There, it's a good spot there. Yeah, that's what I mean. So definitely don't want it on the desk or on my clothes or smeared and spread elsewhere or whatever. Okay, so my fingers, so now my fingertips have the metal particles that the abrasive polishing paste removes from the metal. It's on my fingers, it's on the paper towel, and it can be simply wiped off there, so whatever was on it, not anymore. Of course, this polishing paste eventually will remove the numbers, so the millimeter lines or whatever, so whatever is etched into the grooves, these numbers are in the surface of the steel ruler, so there are dents in the steel ruler at every millimeter, and these dents are filled with this black paint or dye, whatever. So those will also be removed with this polishing paste. I guess there's a little bit there that I missed. And on this side, this polishing paste also dries, so you want to remove it within seconds, so it's a lot better. Just give it a little more, like within seconds, maybe not within seconds, but rather fast. So just spread it on, fix only the spot that needs to be fixed, wipe it off while it's still wet. Yeah, that's pretty good. If I want to really push it. All right. Well, close enough is close enough. Okay.